Sound, a group of
From the beginner to the professional, from the novice to the master, from playing and experimenting with things to create a masterpiece. These are all the elements of art, and the art on this show is sound. Hi, I'm L.V. Smith, host of the show Sounds Within. Now, you all know I have a soft spot for open mic. Now, I know there's a lot of great shows like Paris Joint and stuff like that, but I like this little small place out there in La Crescenta called the Roar Room. That's where I met my brother here. Brother Bob here. Brother Bob Yost, it goes back way back when, well, too far back when, well, even other groups.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we go back a bit.
Yeah, we do. We've got quite the history, starting in my daughter's kindergarten.
That's another story, but we're going to get back to you. I know it's been too long to go back, so you're going to have to go back to those three favorite questions of mine. Right. What makes Bob Bob?
I just like to have a good time. I love to play music. I love to communicate in that way, and I like to see people having a good time with it. And having fun is pretty much the essence of me.
You and me both. Hello, Ahmed.
Hello.
What makes Ahmed Ahmed?
The true Ahmed, what makes Ahmed Ahmed is music in my soul.
Can't argue with that. And over here we have T-Bone Boogie. How you doing?
I'm doing great.
Okay, T-Bone, what makes T-Bone T-Bone?
Well, it's something I call the boogie chill factor, and it's just a mojo for music and, you know, great lovers.
Can't argue with that. That's good stuff. And over here we have Miles.
Miles Coleman, Brother Miles.
Brother Miles at that. Okay, what makes Brother Miles Brother Miles?
The love for music.
Hey, that's a great love. It's a great love.
Yes.
Now, I got another question for you. Oh, yeah.
No.
Yes, that one. What was the very first sound you ever remembered hearing?
Oh my God, okay. I would say it would have to be an alarm clock.
An alarm clock. Why would you say that?
Well, I think my mom kept the alarm clock to feed me on time.
That's a great answer. Yeah.
That's what I think, man. So it would have to be the alarm clock.
That works. Okay, T-Bone Boogie. What was the very first sound you ever remember hearing?
Well, it was a really big explosion, and that was when I was born, and I came out of my mom.
That is a real big boom there.
Yeah, a boogie chillin' boom.
Boogie chilling boom.
Boom, boom, boom. From like Johnny Lee Hooker.
Yep. Hi, Ahmed.
Yes.
What was the very first sound you ever remember hearing?
A cricket sound.
A cricket?
Cricket, yeah.
Why would you say a cricket?
Well, that was the first sound I heard. That was the first sound I heard when I was born.
Wow, what a memory. Crickets.
All the time.
Oh, yeah, they will keep you awake.
Yes, sir. They will keep you awake. They make sure you are awake.
Hey, Bob.
Hello.
I know it's a while back, but what was the very first sound you ever remember hearing?
Not sure I remember it or if it's just kind of imprinted in my brain, but I think it was my mom's heartbeat. And that's why I play drums.
Oh, the heartbeat of the drums. Okay, got one more question for you, Bob. What was the very first sound that motivated you besides your mom's heartbeat that made you go after the drums?
I don't know. I've just been obsessed with playing drums since I was about 3 years old. That's about as far back as I can remember. I've just always wanted to play drums, and so I do.
And do it well, you do.
Thank you.
Hey, Ahmed, what was the very first sound that motivated you to play guitar?
Was Jimmy Cliff.
Jimmy Cliff. Who was he with?
He was actually coming up being a big star, so his sound was my kind of sound. And I go to listen to him. I probably witnessed about 3 or 8 times of his shows. I witnessed it right here at Santa Monica when he came. And he was there, and he shake my hand, and I shake his hand.
That would do it.
And he continued to tell me, don't stop.
Don't stop.
Got to keep it going.
Keep it going.
Yes, sir.
Okay, T-Bone Boogie. What motivated you? What was the sound that motivated you to pick up the bass?
Well, actually, I'm a guitar player, and the first sounds that really inspired me was probably Pete Townsend of The Who just crunching that rock guitar, and Won't Get Fooled Again was just like my favorite song in the 7th grade, and I couldn't get enough of that rock sound. Bought a guitar, and the rest is history.
Rest is history.
Boogie chillin' history.
Boogie chillin' history. You got that, folks. Brother Miles,
Okay.
what was the very first sound that motivated you to play drums?
I would have to say listening to some James Brown. I saw him at an early age. It was my very first concert ever, so it's most impressive.
Good drums there.
Looking back since. But Sakoma Sababo means we are all one.
We're all one. So what song are we going to do?
We're going to do Arambe.
Arambe,
Arambe means freedom.
coming from Sakoma Sababo Arambe.
Arambe. Arambe, Arambe, Arambe. Arambe, Arambe, unites Africa. Arambe, Arambe, Arambe. Arambe unites Africa. Arambe, Arambe, Arambe. Arambe, Arambe unites Africa. Arambe, Arambe, Arambe. Arambe unites Africa. South, North Africa. South Africa, East Africa, West Africa, West Africa, South Africa, North Africa, East Africa. Mr. Black man, Mr. Black man unites 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 Africa. Arambe, Arambe, Arambe. Arambe, Arambe unites Africa. Arambe, Arambe, Arambe. Arambe unites Africa. Arambe, Arambe, Arambe. Arambe, Arambe unites Africa. Arambe, Arambe, Arambe. Arambe unites Africa. Arambe, 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 Arambe unites Africa. Arambe, Arambe, Arambe. Arambe unites Africa. Arambe, Arambe, Arambe. Arambe, Arambe unites Africa. Arambe, Arambe, Arambe. Arambe unites Africa. Jah will provide.
to the medical profession, black garlic helps to repair skin damage. It contains twice the antioxidants as regular garlic, and it restores skin cells damaged by aging process. Sunflower seed butter is rich and it has unsaturated fat acids. Use it instead of peanut butter and you'll be surprised. And you can compare that peanut butter with some apples or celery and it gives you the optimum benefit. Salmon has high omega-3 contents, making it the go-to fish for a healthy skin. Sweet potatoes, peppers, almonds, and all foods are high in vitamin A, C, and E. They are also rich in antioxidants that combat damages and free radicals that occur in your skin.
Hello, my friends. You're watching Behind the Curtains, and my name is Michelle Leclerc.
Sakoma Sababo doing a harambe. Brother Miles, that was really driving with a very beautiful message. What motivated you all to come up with this song?
Well, we kind of like watching what's going on in the world, and we felt like we needed to deliver a message of oneness, and music is pretty much the catalyst that brings everybody together. So
That's it. Okay. Now, who are some of your mentors in music?
Oh man, what you got? How much time you got?
Well, just give us some.
I mean, it's just it goes on and on. Bob Marley, Jimi Hendrix, rest her soul, rest in peace, Aretha Franklin. You know, it just goes on and on. The list is endless.
Now, do you collaborate with other bands?
When we can, you know, we like to work with other people because that's part of the growing, part of the growing situation. So we play with as many people as we can, as much as we can.
Do you collaborate with other musicians besides Sakoma Sababo?
Sure. I think we all kind of have outside, things we do. Then we bring it all back here, and that creates Sakoma Sababo.
Hi, Ahmed. What are we going to do for a song now?
We're going to do Jah Will Provide.
Jah will provide.
Yes, Jah.
Jah.
J-A-H.
Got it. Sakoma
Sababo.
Doing. Jah will
Provide. Jah will take care of you. Jah will take care of you. When you're down and you're lonely and you cry, Jah will take care of you. If you feel you have done someone wrong, Jah will take care of you. Can you see all the things that we do? Jah will take care of you. If you need someone in your life, Jah will take care of you. Jah will take care of you. Jah will take care of you. what you're doing. Jah knows. So I always keep you safe. I say, Jah, 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 Jah will take care of you. Jah, 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 Jah will take care of you. Jah don't mind, Jah don't mind, Jah don't mind, Jah don't mind, Jah don't mind. Jah, 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 Jah will take care of you. Jah don't mind what you do, what you do, what you do. Jah don't mind. Jah, 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 Jah will take care of you.
This is David, this is Teresa, and this is Elias. Next time I'm watching the Royal Channel, I'll be sure to watch Anybody Can Play Guitar.
Marie, you have prediabetes.
Prediabetes? I don't have time to eat right or exercise. I'm a busy mom.
Oh, you're a busy mom.
Yeah.
This is great news. Busy moms never get prediabetes.
Wait, what?
Let me just... Yeah, this is all the people at risk for prediabetes, and way over here, busy moms. No?
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Michelle Leclerc, and you're watching Deep Cuts Live. Stay tuned.
Sakoma Sababo doing Jah Will Provide. That was great. That was great. Well, on this show, we have a demon called time. So there's your camera. I want you to think. I want you to talk to the future T-Bone Boogie is out there. What do they need to do to become a great bassist like you?
Well, just, spread the love and just, feel the music in your soul and in your heart and just bring it in and then pour it out to the people.
Great. Brother Miles, about that demon time. Okay. We do have future Brother Miles out there. They're watching you. Okay. You inspired them. What words of advice and wisdom do you have to lay upon them?
I would say be kind to one another. That's the message I want to send out. Musically, just do your work.
Not enough kindness.
Right, not enough kindness. Do your work, and you will prevail on your instrument, but before, be kind to one another, above and beyond.
Love it. Brother Bob.
Yeah.
Bob Gnarly.
Yeah, that's me.
What words of wisdom do you have for the future Bob Gnarlys out there?
If you've got a dream and you want to play music, just follow it. It doesn't matter what anybody else thinks. If you're having fun, go there. Listen to all different types of music. Listen to the old stuff, the new stuff. Listen to everything and put it all together. And then you'll find yourself in it. And just, if you want to play, just do it. Follow your dream.
Love it. Brother Miles, how can we get in contact with Sakoma Sababo?
We can be reached by Facebook, Sakoma Sababo Band. We can be reached by Facebook, Sakoma Sababo. And that's the easiest way to do it. We're on Reverb Nation, and you can contact us like that.
Ahmed, what words of wisdom do you have for the future Ahmed guitar players like you?
They gotta be very persistent, strong, and think of themselves as gold. And they should be more than perfect to play the music. That's what I think they need.
Amen to that. Well, What are you going to close the show with?
Oh, I'm going to close the show by thanking all the crew and being persistent in this game is what we are. And we hope to come back here at a very prior date.
And what song will you do?
And we will do Stop the Crime.
Do come back. We will like to have you back.
Thank you very much, sir.
Stop the Crime, Sakoma Sababo.
Stop the crime. Stop the crime. Stop, 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 stop the crime. Stop, 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 stop the crime. Ooh yeah, ooh yeah. Crime is coming so close. Ooh yeah, ooh yeah, ooh yeah, ooh yeah, ooh yeah. Crime is getting everyone. Remember, 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 remember. Crime is getting the youth, man. Remember, 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 remember. Crime is getting the youth, man. I gotta see, yeah. Stop the crime. Solve the crime. Stop the crime. Solve the crime. Ooh yeah, ooh yeah, ooh yeah, ooh yeah, ooh yeah. We are brothers and sisters, brothers and sisters. We are brothers and sisters. Ooh yeah, ooh yeah, ooh yeah, ooh yeah, ooh yeah. Blood is thicker than water. Remember, 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 remember. Crime is getting the youth, man. Remember, 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 remember. Crime is getting the youth, man. I gotta see it. Stop the crime. Solve the crime. I say stop the crime. Say solve the crime. Stop the crime. Solve the crime. Stop the crime. Stop. Solve the crime. Solve. Stop the crime. Stop. I said solve the crime. Solve. We said stop the crime. Stop. We said solve the crime. Ooh yeah, ooh yeah, yeah, ooh yeah, ooh yeah, ooh yeah. Blood is thicker than water. Ooh yeah, ooh yeah, yeah, ooh yeah, ooh yeah, ooh yeah. Blood is thicker than water. Woo! Stop the crime. Solve the crime. 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 Stop, 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 stop the crime. Stop, 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 stop the crime.
Hey, it's Amin L. And Thursday Night is live with Jeff Hodge. Come on down and check him out.
After 15 years of smoking, Eva Marie quit. There's a new lung cancer screening that could save her life. You stopped smoking. Now start screening. Learn more at savedbythescan.org.
Okay. Hello, this is Nice Wonder, the Now Man Show, and I'm here at Politicon with our founding fathers right now.
Morning, Gary. We are GetSchooled.com. You want a college education, don't you? You know you do. Yeah, but I don't know where to start. That's why we're here. We're free, handsome. I think we're breathtaking. And here to guide you through every step of the way, starting with attendance. Gary, financial aid forms. Biology homework, G. I got this. Is that Bran? Colleges love extracurricular activities.
Chess really isn't my thing.
I got this. Doesn't matter. Go ahead. Picking a college, man. You and us. We go together like tacos and Tuesday.
And I love tacos.
Fire and ice.
Those don't really go together. Go to GetSchooled.com for more info.
Hi, I'm Roger Anthony Whiting.
And Mark Ricciardi.
And you are watching the Arroyo Channel.